Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to walk you through on how you can transfer files or photos from your phone to laptop. I'm making this video because I saw a book review on Amazon, one technology book, where the buyer left a review under the book saying that she bought the book to learn how to download photos from her phone to her computer, but she couldn't get the answer. This is just something simple you can do without getting a book, though getting a book is not bad too. So that's why I want to discuss that in today's video. So let's get started. The first step is to connect your phone to your computer using the USB cable. There are other ways you can do that, but this is the surest way or the fastest way. You understand? So with your USB cable of your phone, the charger, the charging cable, that's what I mean, connect to the USB port of your computer and then plug the other end to your phone. Okay, when you do that, click on the File Explorer of your laptop, which is what I've done now. I've clicked on the File Explorer and it opens. After you have clicked on the File Explorer, click on this PC. Alright, this has shown you the disk capacity of your computer and the external device that is connected to it. For example, this is my smartphone, Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. But in some devices or in some smartphones, this may not show unless you automate it from your phone. So when you plug the cable to the USB cable to your computer, something may show up on your phone, some options like charge only, transfer files, and transfer photos. Select the option to transfer files. Then you will see the phone your phone appears in this section of your computer. Remember, I first clicked on File Explorer, then I went here to this PC. Okay, click on this PC. Okay, now open the phone, your phone that has appeared here. You have to open the storage. I'll double click here, then double click again. This has shown some files I have in my phone. I'm not accessing them through my computer. So let's take, for example, the photo I want to transfer to my computer is found in this file, in this folder. I'll double click on that folder, double click on the folder again. Now these are some photos I have in my phone. Now I'm connecting from my phone to my computer. So these are the things that are the files that are in my phone. So I want to copy this, or I want to download this to my computer. I'll click on it, then right click on it and select the option to copy. Okay, this is the copy option. I'll click on that. Now I'll go back to my computer. This is my PC options. So but here I have some folders that I already created in my PC. These ones are created by default: downloads, documents, photos, desktop. So these are the folders that are created on my computer by default. So I can decide to paste this file I copied into any of them. So let me go with the options of photo, the option of photo as pictures. So I will come here, right click inside this, then I select the option to paste. You can see this photo now I copied from my phone is now transferred to my computer. So these are Just the few steps you have to take to transfer files from your phone to your computer or to your laptop. Though there are some other approaches, you can do that using Bluetooth, or by sending the file to your email, then log into your computer, your email from this computer, and then download the file. But I choose to go with this because this option is one of the fastest. I hope this video helped. So do well to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and like this video. See you some other time. Thank you.